Beige bedroom design. The bedroom is one of the main rooms of every house or apartment. We spend most of our time in the bedroom, we relax, read and do our leisure. That is why one of the most important tasks in designing and furnishing a home is the design of this room. Colors and color combinations in the bedroom can be very different, but one of the most successful, practical and stylish solutions is to make the bedroom in beige tones. Beige wallpaper in the bedroom. Beige color can contribute to peace and tranquility, so the beige wall decoration in the bedroom will be very useful. This color is practical and neutral, which means that it can be combined with many other shades and implemented in a variety of styles. Wallpaper can be completely different: paper, vinyl, non-woven, textiles, eco-materials made from core bamboo fibers. Wallpaper with pictures will also look interesting, but we recommend choosing calm, monochrome colors, as well as using minimalistic patterns or nature motifs. The main thing is to focus on the style in which the bedroom is made. Beige bedroom furniture. Furniture made in beige shades should not be underestimated. Elements of a furniture set in this color fit perfectly into any interior. It is important to remember that bedside tables, bed and linen closet should be made in the same color and shade, in order to avoid an inharmonious and lurid appearance of the bedroom. You should also avoid matching the color of the wall covering and the furniture set. Wardrobe in a beige bedroom. Linen cabinets can be very different. A chest of drawers, a large wardrobe with hinged doors, a closet or a simple floor hanger, any storage space will fit into your bedroom with the right choice in accordance with the style of the room. The most modern and stylish option are floor clothes hangers. They are also compact and easy to move around the room. And to save space and store a sufficiently large amount of clothes, wardrobes built into the wall are suitable. Bed in a beige bedroom. The bed in the bedroom is best placed in the center, presenting it as an accent and the most important detail. The interior in beige tones allows you to place massive pieces of furniture, so large, bulky beds are welcome. The material metal, wood or wood-based panels and the model can be very different, but we advise you to pay attention to the choice of a mattress. Take a closer look at orthopedic mattresses to create your own comfort and maintain your health. Curtains in the bedroom. Curtains are a very important element of the decor of any room that needs to be given due attention. Curtains made of thin fabric look very interesting in beige tones. They are attached to the cornice and gently diffuse the color, which is why you should not choose flying fabrics if your windows face the sunny side. Curtains made of dense fabric are made on an additional lining and perfectly protect from sunlight and excess noise. Classic curtains combine both curtains and curtains made of thin fabric. This option of curtains is perfect for any bedroom, as they can both scatter sunlight and close the room from direct sunlight if necessary. Beige green bedroom. Since the beige color fits perfectly into interiors using natural motifs, all shades of green will be perfectly combined with it. Natural shades soothe, and such combinations bring comfort, harmony and peace to the interior. For example, a beige emerald bedroom looks sophisticated and harmonious, and the use of light green in combination with beige looks bright and modern, fitting perfectly into a teenage, children's or youth room. White and beige bedroom. It is worth carefully considering the arrangement of a room in white and beige colors, since if you use too light colors or a lack of natural light, such a bedroom risks becoming boring and unattractive. However, with the right choice and combination of shades, your bedroom will sparkle, as well as exude warmth and comfort. Beige and pink bedroom. The combination of beige and pink tones is suitable for decorating a delicate and feminine bedroom. Delicate shades of pink will fit into a room in a classic or Provence style, while bright crimson shades look great in modern children's or teen rooms. A variety of shades of pink allows you to use it in completely different interiors. It is suitable for decorating the rooms of owners of any age and gender. Blue beige bedroom. Bedrooms made in such colors look fresh and original. Blue color in combination with beige is perfect for those people who appreciate elegance and sophistication. Such colors do not fit well into the interior of the children's room due to the fact that they create a feeling of restraint and rigor. If we talk about the predominance of one color over another, then we recommend using more blue, diluting it with beige shades. When choosing a shade of blue, look for more natural and muted tones. Beige bedroom in modern style. A bedroom in a modern style implies conciseness, comfort and harmony. The use of beige in this style is welcome. It looks minimalistic and fresh. We advise you to choose plain decorative elements, diluting them with contrasting colors of glossy surfaces or flooring, thereby creating a stylish accent. Use a monochrome color scheme and a minimum of furniture to make the room look truly modern. The use of beige in the bedroom is welcome for absolutely any age and gender of the owners. It is versatile and multifaceted, allows you to combine yourself with different colors and introduce them into different interiors. Choose the right shade of beige, select elements of the furniture set that harmonize with each other, decorate the room with decor and accessories, and then your bedroom will become a truly cozy and beautiful place where you want to relax and spend your time.